Welcome to our overview of Amazon's multiple accounts policy. This video shows you how to remain compliant with multiple selling accounts and effectively manage your businesses in the Amazon store. First, let's discuss the multiple accounts policy. Amazon's policy is that sellers can have one account per seller per region unless they have a legitimate business need for opening a second account, in which case all accounts must be kept in good standing. You're considered as having multiple or related accounts when you own, operate, are involved with, or have access to more than one Amazon selling account. Here are 3 examples of legitimate business reasons for maintaining multiple accounts. 1. When you have more than one brand, each with a different storefront name, you can open a separate selling account for each brand to simplify maintenance. For example, if you've registered a brand that sells soap and also registered a brand that sells pet food, you can open 2 separate accounts. 2. When you manufacture products for 2 distinct and separate companies, you can open a separate selling account for each to help streamline your different accounts. For example, if you manufacture soaps for Company A and are going to start manufacturing soaps for Company B, you can open 2 separate selling accounts. 3. When you're enrolled in an Amazon program that requires separate accounts. Note that you don't need approval to open a second account, but Amazon may act if you don't comply with the policy. Your other accounts may be affected if you operate more than one and violate Amazon's selling policies or the Seller Code of Conduct in any of your accounts. Amazon could cancel listings, suspend or deactivate accounts, or suspend or forfeit payments. To understand each of the points of the Seller Code of Conduct, visit the respective page related to your regional Amazon store. Search Seller Code of Conduct in Seller Central for more information. You'll receive a notification on your account health page, which can be accessed via the Seller Central main menu's Performance section if you violate this or other Amazon selling policies. Now let's look at 2 examples of account impact after a policy violation. In the first, a seller has 2 Amazon selling accounts because he's registered 2 separate brands. He operates a storefront for his soaps and one for his pet food, and the account for soaps receives a warning about manipulating sales rank. In this case, he must heed the warning and remedy any issue with that brand in a timely manner before it affects his pet food brand. In the second, a seller receives an account deactivation notice for manipulating sales rank in her account for selling soaps. Her pet food account will also be deactivated because the 2 are related to her overall selling account. The account for the soap brand will need to be reinstated before her other accounts can be active again. For more information on Amazon's multiple accounts policy, including how to respond to a violation notice, visit Seller Central and search Selling Policies and Seller Code of Conduct on the main page. To learn how to reactivate your selling account, watch our video Address a Multiple Account Policy Violation in Seller University. This concludes our training on how to comply with Amazon's multiple accounts policy. Thank you, and happy selling in the Amazon store!